Welcome to Kodemine. So today we'll talk about how to install telnet or how to enable telnet, right? If we run a command telnet-v, we got us a message that telnet is not recognized as an internal or external command. So that's mean is the telnet is not installed onto your system, alright? So how can we solve this issue? Let's see. Just go into the control panel, click on this icon, control panel, then select program option, click on this, and then you have a very important link, that is turn Windows features on and off, right? Just you can search it also, and just click on this option, turn Windows feature on or off. Just click on that and you will get a list of features which are enabled. So we will see telnet is enabled or not. So we will go down. So here is that telnet client, right? So telnet client was not enabled here. I just click it and press OK. OK. It will take 2 to 3 seconds to enable the command. So we got a message that Windows completed the requested changes. Close. Then check telnet-v. You guys can see now we have telnet command available, right? So hope your problem will solve. Still, if you guys have issue, comment into the comment box. We will help you out. And please like, share, comment, and do subscribe our channel and share with your friends, and watch for the complete tutorials, the technical tutorial available on our learning platform. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.